Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're ripping 22-23 Panini NBA Monopoly Prizm Booster Box. This will be my second Monopoly NBA booster. First box was very disappointing, got two base inserts of Kevin Durant and Jokic, and then 22 base cards. So the bar is very low, let's see if we can do better with the second box. Here are the 6 packs. Well, can't get worse than my first box, so let's get started. Starting off, we got a Johnny Davis rookie, got a Devin Booker insert, Ben Simmons and Josh Giddey. At least it's a different insert than the ones I pulled in the first box. Second box we got John Moran, Colin Sexton, Benedict Mathurin, and De'Aaron Fox. Third pack looks like also all base. Julius Randle, Clay, Christian Wood, and a base. Booker. Halfway through, so far still all base. Okay, finally got one color, but I think it's not a numbered card, but hey, at least it's a color. LeBron, Conley, got the same insert of Jokic from the first box, and then got a teal, not a rookie, Anthony Edwards. Not bad, but not a number card. Anthony Edwards, teal. Okay, at least I got one color out of the 2 boxes. So we got a Steph. Okay, nice. We got a Banchero rookie, DeMar, and a Giannis. Last pack. Let's see if there's anything better. Oh, nice one! I got a number card. Look, it's a gold shimmer. So usually in a lot of sets, gold is numbered to 10. But before getting too excited, I think the gold here is number to 500. The gold, the base gold money shimmer is number 500. But at least it's a number card, even though it's a high number card. LeBron, I feel like because the base set is only 90 cards, so lots of duplicates. Whoa. That's another Jokic insert, which I have now 3 of. So the randomizer didn't do its job too well. Then finally, let's see the gold money shimmer Pelicans. The Zion, Brandon Ingram. Okay. Not bad. Let's leave him up and see. It's number 200 out of 500. So at least it's a number card. And second box is way better than the first box with 2 color parallels and 1 number card. Not the lowest number card that I can pull, but number card nevertheless. So overall, so the 2 boxes, second box is better, but nothing huge came out of it. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye.